Today's question is, how do I keep in sync with my horse when I feel like I'm out of sync in canter? Okay, so when you have a horse that has a big canter, it's easy to feel out of sync. So I'm not trying too hard to go with the horse, to stay still, sorry. And my body is really sweeping in the saddle. Can you see how it really burns the leather off the saddle because it's really moving forward and back, forward and back. And my upper body is moving forward and back, forward and back. And if I really don't pay attention, my hands, sorry buddy, my hands start bouncing up and down too, if I'm really not trying. So, if that's you and you feel out of sync, first go, that's awesome, because I'm cantering and I'm working on it and I'm trying to improve. Horsey, oh, he's in a mood. Loving this learning? Make sure you click the subscribe button so you never miss an episode. Then to stay still in the canter, you need to start to learn what muscles need to have a positive tension and which muscles need to give and sit deep. If I tense all my muscles, I come out of the saddle and I pounce. If I relax all of my muscles, I bounce as well. So there's that moment in the middle, come on Ollie, where you just have all the tension you need to stay in the saddle, even if your horse is playing up. Sometimes, maybe not all the time. You have all the tension you need. Rough. And then he can come soft and you can go with the horse without blocking. Now this takes, good boy, you can try and have a walk. This takes a bit of time, and let it be okay that it takes a bit of time. I used to look at all the people that could canter really, really well and go, it's not fair, what's wrong with me? Must be something wrong with me. There's nothing wrong with you. Can you play Beethoven Fifth Symphony the first time you step onto a piano? Of course not. All skills need to be practiced. Well, firstly, all skills have to be learned, and then all skills need to be practiced. So if you are either tensing too much and bouncing because of that, or relax too much and bouncing because of that, just start playing with what happens when I tighten my thigh, what happens if I release my thigh, what happens if I tighten my knee, what happens if I relax my knee, what happens if I tighten my stomach, what happens if I relax my stomach. And it's your self-discovery and your playfulness with what you can do with your body and so relaxing or tensing with different parts of your body, that will teach you so much about riding and what to do when, because the horse will also give you feedback. So enjoy, and I'll see you next week. Today's episode gave you huge value. I would love to invite you to a free class I've created for you to help you look and feel like a Grand Prix dressage rider in as little as 3 rides per week. Don't worry if you don't have a good enough horse. In secret number 1, I'll tell you why that doesn't even matter. I'll tell you how to do it in only 3 rides, and I'll also tell you the secret you need to know to make sure you're doing in your riding to accelerate your results and get you to the next level. I can't wait to have you on the class. It's completely free, my gift to you. Click on the link to sign up.